Hello, ladies and gentlemen, 6th of January, let's do it quick. What's happening in price action for Bitcoin, Ethereum and cryptocurrency market? High level, nothing changed. We are in the middle of the move. Next, take profit around March. When we look in the whales and the large trades, this is how the situation looks like on 15 time frame. We had a kind of sell here, a block. But if we start to zoom out, it doesn't really matter what's there. If the seller is buying billions of Bitcoin here, and here, we can put everything to the trash, really, the technical analysis, okay? What's happening? We have a kind of breakout and we had a strong support here, okay? However, the most important thing I want to tell is that actually the critical timing is still in front of us, and this will be 20th of January, inauguration of Donald Trump. I will come to the second into this. Heat map looks just amazing. The chart, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and US 100, 500 and 100 all have a green candle so far. And this is important. We are not only Bitcoin going up, everything goes up. Just Bitcoin goes up the best, as usually. But I want to say, if we have a big crash here, we not have a big pump here. It's correlated, okay? So everything is going up. Bitcoin 12 months, 6 months candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Usually the third, the 12-month candle, and the fifth is a big one. And that's what I'm still expecting. Then the funniest chart now is to compare gold ETF to Bitcoin. And this is where we are, and this is where we go. So, yeah, this is here. The box here, where we are, okay? Here. The price action is basically fucking the same. Look, I will just make it similar. Look how similar this price action is, really. Okay? That's what I want to tell you today. Look, basically it's a little bit copy-paste. Bitcoin just went higher. But if it happens, you see what happened next. It's a huge pump, pullback, and pump again. So, and this timing here, from the breakout is 25 days. So from the breakout, we just copy this, put it here. From the breakout, 25. It's very close to inauguration of Donald Trump. That's what I want to say, okay? So we need to keep in mind and wait for Donald Trump. High level, this is where we are. This is when we can go during the Trump time. On the monthly time frame, we look amazing when we compare the things. We have the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. March is a minimum. RSI very low, still a lot of place to go. Same chart for Bitcoin. If we look at the past, even the recent year, we have still a few candles to go green before the next consolidation. So I think we should actually go higher. But let's see. Ethereum chart looks as usually. Nothing changed yet, no all-time, but it will come. Load your bucks for ETH. And this is a monthly chart. I think we are somewhere here. We can still, or here. But here is all-time high already. And here we are still consolidating. So I think it's coming much bigger than we predict. We have still decent move to come. No one says now 30,000 because it was consolidating so long and disappointing the investors, but actually the market makers doing very well. Look how well they consolidate the prices. So what they do is like to, they are making sure before they pump, the price will never come back below these levels in the future. Never, ever. That's why they take it slower. But once they take it, you will not get these prices anymore again in the future. So they do the good thing. You will not break it. If we look into Ethereum Bitcoin chart, guys, we are just in the bottom. Here or here, I don't know. We are coming higher very, very soon. Load your Ethereum bucks. If we look to the past, and I'm trying to see the similar move, we could... And I was talking all the time about it. We actually see it very similar to this price action here, and this dump was could be the inauguration. Okay, here 20th of January, and that's what I'm personally waiting for. If the price come here, I will long high. It's the last chance to long Bitcoin, and usually very often it will give us these chances according to the knowledge. Also, if we look into the Bitcoin dominance, we see that usually we have 1, 2, and then 3. So it would give us February, when we would see the Feb, March, April, those 3 months to take big profits on our alts, especially March. Yeah, especially March. So this is how it looks like. Bitcoin is still fighting, but at some point it can give the volume to altcoins, because everyone wants to have more Bitcoin. Sometimes you need to sell it, swap it, and you will get more afterwards. So that's wise. Excluding top 10 on the monthly chart, looks just amazing. These are the altcoins. Look how beautiful this chart looks like. Beautiful candle. We are going higher, retest and higher. But on the lower time frame, on daily, we are in the resistance. So we may have a pullback. That's why this pullback, which we described with Ethereum to inauguration of 20th of Jan, would make sense. 20 Jan and then take off. So yeah, or we go higher and I don't know. This we need to look at. But if we look into the indicators, yeah, we have the take profit indicators, which could actually lead to this move. So I don't know. The point is, you just keep buying, and your liquidation for futures should be ideally here, right? No lower. So then you are safe, and you will get money out of it. XRP, large caps, getting amazing. Crypto, altcoins look like bottom out. Cycle lows at the bottom. By rainbow chart, amazing, still way to go. Stock to flow, still stock to income, way to go. 300k. Inflows, we'll wait data for the due data tomorrow. Liquidation heat map, we grab the liquidation from above us. Can we come back to below? We can, we don't have to. I will not risk. Bitcoin chart looks how it looks. We have a decent bottom pullback that we see, and here the Ethereum quarterly returns. So 2017 and 21 is were the years when we got similar price actions. So this is what happened that time. Ethereum basically pumped. Q1 is the best timing for Ethereum. If you see in the next years, this Q1, maybe Q2 is the best time for ETH. So yeah, everything like in the watch. Global liquidity, money growing together with Bitcoin. Everything is growing. Bitcoin pairs addresses in loss. Basically, no one is in loss. In all-time high, everyone is in profit, right? So if you look at the past, we are somewhere here. How much time? Look, first time it was 24. First time it was December, let's say 27 until 28, a full year here. We have March until March. Interesting. If we compare it to 2017, we have a full year when everyone was in profit. And here we have exactly from March to have a full year, it will be March. Can we see the take profit in March? And then the big pullback? Let's see. But actually it's very interesting. I need to write it down, guys. Just give me a second. Full year, it's a very important news. I need to save it right now and share it. Yes, I did it. Okay, thanks a lot for patience. If you are listening to me, if not, I understand you. Cycle tops, we are waiting for the next red, right? We will get it, or we already got it once, and now no more red, and just the orange. Anyway, we have a signal again here, and 100k, and the orange one is not that big as a red one, actually, but there is a signal. We if we look into the past, we had these signals already showing us local bottoms, or actually the tops, not bottoms, the tops, many times, local, or you see, every time this indicator popped up, we actually had a pullback. Interesting. So basically this is decent buy, okay? And then yeah, let's see. This also is important to track. Yeah, not the rest is more the rest in track. So that was 10 minutes, guys. Thanks a lot. Talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.